Just a video here to show how I'm going to replace the regulator switch from the Samsung stove. Replace this one. This one just goes crazy, goes hot, stays hot, goes down. So I order it. Let me put this down real quick. Order from the internet, from the Amazon web page. It is, comes in a little box. Came from California. I think it was like $100 and something. So it should be pretty simple. There's other videos online how to that's the part number right there. Supposedly that's the part number supposed to be for this Samsung stove. Of course, take off the stove from the wall. I mean, unplug it, and then you get your handy dandy drill here, and you unscrew all the screws, and then this whole thing comes off. I'm trying to figure out the new GoPro thing. I'm not sure how to pause it. I don't think you can pause it, can you?